There are some basic things that you need to understand on this internet space before you start forex trading. And in this particular video, I'm going to be breaking down everything for you become appropriately, and it is also going to be step by step. Not because of everything that you see on social media, where you see people advertise on Instagram, just join my Telegram channel, copy my code, and you start making money. Then you too, without having the adequate knowledge of what forex trading is all about, you continue to waste your money, follow all their trends, and you have lost thousands of money on this internet space because you want to become a trader. Now, please kindly take note. There is nothing on this internet space. If you do not have the required knowledge behind it, you will only waste your money. The money you are supposed to waste thinking you will make money, why not try to invest that particular money in having the adequate knowledge before you now get started? Now, please kindly take note. In this particular video, be rest assured that everything you need to know, starting from the basics of trading, I'm going to be explaining it to you in this particular video. On no condition should you start trading if you do not understand the market. If you do not understand the market as a trader, then why are you trading? If you do not understand the market as a trader, then what are you trading on? Another thing you need to understand before you become a trader is for you to know how to read charts. What do we call charts? I'm going to be breaking everything down for you in this particular page that you are watching me on. After knowing how to read charts, there are still some things that you need to know how to use. We have a lot of trading tools that you need to be exposed to, which in this particular page, I'm going to be breaking everything down for you appropriately. And most importantly, you need to understand what risk management is all about. All these things that I've mentioned, I'm going to be breaking it down for you step by step in this particular page. And I'm going to be explaining everything for you. I will also be showing you everything practically so that it can be easier for you to understand before you also start your trading journey. If this sounds like what you would love to learn, then become my student and then get your pen and paper ready to jot down everything I'm going to be explaining to you in this particular video so that you can have adequate knowledge of trading before you get into the journey. I'll see you in my next video where I break down what I'll be covering in each phases so that you can jot them down in your note as well and follow me through in every of my videos so that you can continue to increase yourself in knowledge before you start that trading that you are thinking in your mind. I am African Prince Arex, and I'll see you in my next video. So if you're one of my students, please kindly pay attention to this particular video. And if you are not my student as well, you can also learn. I'm going to be breaking down for you everything I'm going to be covering in the foundational level as a trader. Things you need to know. I'm going to be breaking it down for you. And I'm going to be making the video so detailed, and I'll be making the video so short and precise so that you can also understand or learn one or two things before leaving this particular video. So before you start trading at all, there are some foundational knowledge that you need to have. Because if you don't understand all those things and you jump into the trend that is currently ongoing, you will just continue to pump in your money and you will never get adequate results for your money. For you to get adequate result on anything you do online, you need the required knowledge of how to go about it. So in this particular video, I'm going to be starting with the first thing that you need to understand. And I'm going to be breaking down those videos for you appropriately. I would recommend that anytime you want to watch my educational videos, you can always come with your pen and paper to jot down some things. Don't just watch my video for watching sake. Watch and jot down because you are going to be exposed to some information or even you cannot get from a trader themselves because they will not expose you to all the secrets that I'm going to be exposing you to in this particular video. The first thing I'm going to be covering for you, I'm going to be dropping them in batches so that you can always have your time to watch them appropriately and then implement them. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is what is forex trading. Majority of you don't even understand what forex trading is all about. You just jump into it, you saw pocket option, you saw all those things online, and you start trading without having the full understanding of what it is. I'm going to be breaking down what forex trading is all about in my subsequent video. After that time, I'm going to also create a video where I'm going to be explaining forex itself for you so that you can easily understand the word forex, what it means, everything you need to know about it. I'm going to be breaking it down for you in my subsequent video. Another thing that I'm going to be explaining to you in my subsequent video is who are those that control the forex market. You need to understand the knowledge behind this forex before you go into it. And without that, you cannot adequately get what you want from that particular trading. Do you even know the reason why the prices of the currency, do you even know the reason why they change? believe me, in this particular video, I'm also going to be breaking down for you the reasons why they also change. I don't want this video to be too long for you because I actually want you to benefit a lot from this particular video, and I'm not taking it very, very fast or in a way that you'll not even understand in the long run. I want to take it step by step for you so that you can understand appropriately. In my next video, I'm going to continue to explain what I'm going to be covering in the basics, or let me say in the foundational level as a trader, so that you that want to become a trader can also get adequate knowledge of trading before you get started. See you in my next video. If you have not given this video a like, please don't forget to like this video and also share it to anyone that may also be interested in trading. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. If you are my student watching this particular video, please kindly pay attention. And if you are not my student, you can also learn one or two things from this particular video. So in my previous video, I actually explained one or two things about things that I'm going to be covering about the basics of trading. And I've explained the first topic, the second topic, the third topic, and the last topic, which is the fourth one that I ended in the previous video that I made. In this video, the next topic that I'm going to be talking about and breaking down for you appropriately, that's how does trading actually works. I'm going to be explaining how trading works for you so that you can understand how this particular thing works before you get started with it. After that time, I will explain to you the difference. Is trading a gambling, or probably a trading is a real business? I'm going to be explaining because you are going to be thinking in your mind that this particular thing, because you don't have the required knowledge behind it, you may even be thinking you are doing gambling, which is absolutely maybe correct or not correct. You are going to be knowing when I drop the video about it. After that time, I would also explain how do they make money as a trader? How do they make money as a trader? I'm going to be explaining it for you so that you can see the hidden secrets that they know, the hidden knowledge that they know, that you that don't have the knowledge do not know, that make you to continue to lose your money every single time. I'm going to be explaining it for you when I get to that particular topic. I'll create the video about it. And after that time, how much can you actually use to start trading? I will explain that one to you as well when I get to that particular video. And the last video that I'm going to be making for you for the foundational level that you need to understand is that, is trading legal in Nigeria? I am sure you should know that one very well. But during that particular video, there are some hidden things that you need to know about trading. I will break everything down for you once it is time. If you can have the full knowledge of all this particular one that I've mentioned above, I'm sure you should be able to stand out for you to have understood what the basics of trading is all about. Now, I'm going to be getting started accordingly and appropriately so that you can learn one or two things in the video. I'll see you in my next video. If this sounds like what you would also want to learn, this is the best page for you to actually learn it. You can easily follow this particular account if you haven't followed it. And please don't forget to also like this video because it's going to help some other people that also want to become a trader to have the required knowledge before trading. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.